Bill, and today I'm going to be fixing the broken window for my Honda Civic. First things first, let's disconnect power. So we just take the neutral off the battery. That'll help add some light. And this is the bracket we're doing. So we have 4 bolts here and 3 bolts here. There's the tab in the back. Right here's the push. Ooh, I could reuse it. Interesting. Okay, so we're going to remove as far as this window goes. Oh, got it to move. Okay. Okay. So I'm wondering if I have to take this bolt out to get that window to move. Let's see if that moves a little better now. I think I'm attached to the frame. Nope. That's not going to work. I'll need a wrench. I don't know if undoing the track will do anything. It feels like the window just fell. This one looks like it just unhooks. Is it the only bolt there? Oh, there's one on each side. I'm wondering if I could break that, because that's all getting replaced. So it didn't fall off that, just the cables probably broke off. am I reusing? That's this piece. So I have a new one. Okay, motor top bottom. So I need the bolts. Okay, we're getting more movement. I'm sure I get the last one off. Unless all of a sudden it just completely lets go of the track. No. Okay. Right here. These are probably the holes that I'm supposed to be able to get that out of. Not even that's a hole. That's where the cable attaches. No. Okay. Boom. I'm wondering if that was the final nail in the coffin. Oh, he's still trying to come up with my glass. Why? I'm not giving him permission to travel. Okay, because he's still attached. Yep. Okay, don't break my glass. Is he supposed to come this way? Or is this guy trying to get a free ride out? Hey now. Okay. Where is that final bolt? Let's see. Right there. Right? That's what I'm feeling the back of. go. Oh, look at that. Jackpot. Whew. And the glass is out. Okay. Oh, I might have been able to fix this. Would have had to get the cable in. I need these spacers. See the new motor. All in all, this goes this way. This way. Yeah, this has to screw to the door. So if that is the case, then this goes boom. There we go. Anything that says up or down? No. Okay. Wonder if I'm gonna need washers. Okay, so I have magnetic force on this motor. Hold itself in place. Okay, so is it backwards or okay, there's one. One there, one there. Where is the last one? One. So one. boom, boom, boom. Right there. That's not the right ones. It's these. Right there. Now, because I've never done this, I just reading's always good. Assembly to the main axis hole, attach window regulator to the attaching screws or rivets. Once the window regulator has been secured, connect window lift motor connector. Okay, so pretty much what they're saying is now that it's in place, they want me to test it. Okay, so this is quick. I'm not gonna kill it, just I want me to temporarily test. Okay, but nothing attached. And it looks like this is starting off where I could bolt the window in, or no? Okay, temporarily good. Good, good. Okay, so it moves unlike this, which was trying to, but you could see the springs and cables shot out. So now we got to get the window in. Here's something that never gets cleaned.
Okay. Yeah. Probably. We'll have to drop the motor down.
Around that. Oh, okay. I don't care about the weight falling as much as the glass falling. Let's see. I almost feel like, ouch, I gotta stop whatever I just pushed on. Okay, good. Oh, bad. I went too far. Okay, well here. Okay, I'm still on an angle. So let's get this angle in. Something isn't really lined up 100%. I mean, the tab is, but that hole is not, so. Look at that. Let me get my other light. That's so much better than holding the light in my mouth. What do you mean I need to read the directions? I wonder how many people would just send that bolt right in and not care that you're gonna strip that hole. I wonder if I should just bend the bracket a little bit, not much. So what happens? I mean, the bracket should, with that bolt up top, keyword should, not going to say it will, but it should not move too much. Oh, there we go. I think that was the secret. Once you take the bolts out. Oh, look at that. That was the secret. Don't have your bolts in when you do this. Perfect. Secret. So if you're having a problem putting your bracket on, don't have any of those bolts in. And now the window's on. Problem one served. Problem two. Okay, at least those line up. These don't at the bottom anymore. I have to re-drill holes, I don't care, and tap them. But let's see what I could do. Right there. It looks like it should be pretty straight right here. A little bit. That way, not much. Okay, good, that's going. Good. Okay, now we gotta get the bottoms. Where are they in comparison? Okay. Somehow I gotta get the whole track to go that way. There we go. Now for the final, for a real test. Put the window in, see if it works. I should have prepped the beer for this and this. Yeah, I think I missed the track. Hopefully it goes in. Let's see. Because when it goes down and comes back up, it should hopefully reseat itself in here. See how bad I screwed everything up. Down. Okay. Oop, what's going on? Down. Something's not right. So when I bring it down, it goes down. When I bring it up, it goes up. I wonder if my motor's in the wrong position. And my cables, I kind of felt that it is. Is that okay? Now we're all the way up, but that's not a smooth ride up. So what's going on? That is so weird. what's going on here. Something's weird. At least it closes for now. And it goes down no problem. That's better. I mean, let's see the other one. No hesitation, just up and down. Sounds good. Better. Maybe it just needed to, the grease had to move around inside of it. Okay, that is a lot better than it was. All right. I'm a little confused as to why at first it didn't seem to move up too good. Maybe the grease had to move around or whatever inside the motor or the cables or the track, or maybe it was catching and rubbing a little too much, and now it's perfectly going up and down. Okay, well, good. All right. Well, I could call it quits right now, because technically I can close my window and lock the car. But what fun would that be? I still have the speaker to do.